fractions, a to z. So what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole thing, or a part of a group of things. One whole pizza can be divided into different fractional parts. Here we have one whole pizza cut into 8 slices. If you eat 4 pieces, what will remain is half of a whole pizza. Now, if you eat 2 pieces of the remaining 4, what remains is 1/4 of a whole pizza, also known as a quarter. Similarly, if we consider a group of 4 children, they can also be represented as fractions. Take away 2 of the 4 children, and what remains is half of the group. Take away 3 of the 4 children. Now what remains is 1/4 of the group of children. Let's visit the important terms. Do you know what are the parts of a fraction called? A fraction is represented as A by B, where A is a whole number and B is a natural number. An example is the fraction 1 by 2, also called as half, like a half pizza. In a fraction, the number at the top is called a numerator, and the number at the bottom is called a denominator. The numerator can be any whole number, any positive number including 0, as we can consider any number of parts of a whole thing or group, while the denominator must be a natural number, that is any positive number except 0, since the least number of parts any item or group can have is 1. Note, the line between the numerator and denominator is called a fraction bar. Fun facts. Numerator is a Latin word that means number, and it represents the number of parts. The denominator is also a Latin word that is a namer, and is the portion of the fraction that names or defines the whole number, or group. You can try out a variety of fraction problems using our Fractions A to Z book and discover a fraction-friendly world. It's available on Amazon and Barnes & Noble under our publishing.